I reached the subtle world with Bhog to Baba. Along with going, I gave the remembrance of many souls, and while giving the remembrance, Baba immersed the souls, the children, in the subtle world, and while immersing them, Baba was looking at the specialities of each one. Baba said, when my special children at the last time, at the stage which will be in the final moment, and they have completed the effort making, and whatever effort they have made will come in front of them, and that will also be visible in front of the Father. And very quickly, Baba will get the love and remembrance of those children in the subtle world. Baba immersed them. Baba gave them the message that will be told later on. Sister Prem, Sister Krishna, Sister Anand, and there were many other souls on whom, on behalf of them, Bhog was offered to Baba. At the confluence age, all Brahmin children, they become Baba's children. And according to their elevated karma, they create their elevated fortune. Baba showed this scene of the world. Baba added, in the present time, even the little child, maybe of 1.5 years or 2 years, along with his birth, as he grows older, to write, to read, the pen will given to him. In the same way, Baba, according to the time, is looking at the chart of the Brahmin children. In the early days, Baba was having difficulty to explain to the children, but the service companions, dadis, the senior brothers, even they had a difficulty, but according to the time, looking at the condition of the world, looking at the situations, when you teach or tell any of them, it is as though they will begin with their fast effort. Baba's old children are already engaged in making effort. But the children who have recognized Baba through their behavior and activities, they try to come close to the Father. There are many Baba's children who are in advanced parties, even they are taking their sanskars along with them. Wherever they go, they do service. They are going to the service place. And therefore Baba said, according to the time, the subtle world and the golden age will be visible in front of the children. First, children have to go to the supreme abode and then to the deity land. And therefore Baba said, children are making effort anyway, but have to speed up the effort and move forward and make others move forward, because it is only through children Baba has to accomplish this task very quickly. There were bhog offered on behalf of many souls. I told Baba, this is the last turn, the Punjab zone. There are 5 states in this zone. Baba said, Bab Dada, especially the double engine, is received in the forefront is Shiv Baba and at the back is Brahma Baba, and therefore children should have great love for Baba internally. And while saying this, Baba was reminding this day, the special day. Even in the world outside, they celebrate a new year. The Navratri is begun. In Maharashtra, it is Gudi Parva festival. It is a very auspicious day, and you children have to take a U-turn. The place where you have come from, you have to go back and then reach the subtle world. Baba said, okay, good. It is the last turn. Children have come to meet Baba, maybe old or new, but all have reached Baba's home. Bab Dada is very happy about this. The time will only tell about how the future time will be. At the last, Baba spoke this much. Baba said, from wherever you have come, from whichever land or whichever state you have come, on behalf of Bab Dada, Baba gave love and remembrance to all. I took Baba's love and remembrance and came down.